another Mercedes. It needs a tyre, that's the easy bit. It's been blown out, so that part seems it. Still reading the center gearbox, left rear wheel speed, and same in the ESP, left rear wheel. Now I have seen these before. The drive shaft ring, the ABS ring, it does all look quite tight in there. I'll need to take it out and drive it with a machine on it and see, but it could just be the tyre, to be honest with you. But brake pipe's going to want done, rotten. I imagine that one's the same. Oh, yep, it's there, rotten and all. Rotten. Shocker's burst. This ball joint, probably the worst ball joint I've seen in a while. That's hanging off. So that arm's going to want done. This seems to have two chambers for the DPF. We gotta look at the top and see. I'm not sure what this code's for yet. Charge movement flap cylinder 1 is faulty. The emergency position was not achieved, and the amplitude is below the minimum amplitude. They all say there's stored codes, so save all that. Save all that data. Sees what happens. So, interesting one. So that's saved. I'm not going to clear them now. See if I get wheel speeds. Come on, Autel. ESP knows a fault, we're going to like that. Sensors, wheel speeds. Righty ho. Oh. Unplug it. Get it in. Lovely Autel stand there, see that? Improvised. Right, there you go. So, left rear axle, right rear axle. I'm not spinning it very fast, maybe, but it's not showing anything on that side. And that's the driver's side that I'm spinning. That is registered on speed. I wonder if that drive shaft ring's stuck in there. That one's not showing anything. It might be because there's a fault on that side. So let's trouble code it, see if it'll work, but probably going to need a drive shaft ring. Everything for Merc at the minute seems to be away. So you get the Vito van. Had the turbos, little. I also had a window switch that taken about 3 weeks for Germany. Had to feck about with the side door. To feck about with the bonnet switch on that one. God man, it's been an ongoing battle. So it's saying current and stored. So left rear, L6/3, erase. Yes, erase that code, please. Come on. So take the cover off it as well, just had a look at the condition of the exhaust, which is okay. No reported performance issues as well, so it's intact. So kind of dual chambers there on that DPF. Right, so there's no trouble codes, that's good. We'll go back into live data. Wheel speeds again. Left rear, right rear. Right, so left rear's doing nothing. Left rear's doing nothing. I'm a strong guy there, I got that to 5 mile an hour, I think. Ah, 6 so, right, so we'll take this lovely hotel. See, I did that, look at that. There's no end to my genius. Right, so that's the left front. 7 mile I got on that one, 7 mile on that. That one's got a ball joining knackered on it. And let's see, right front. I don't think I've seen something else. Yeah, 6 mile on that. Right, so it's just that left rear. So I'm probably going to imagine I'll just advise a sensor and a new drive shaft ring or drive shaft, whatever we can get for it. I'm going to look at this charge flap motor position, whatever on earth that is. So we'll figure that out, I think. Bit of flash, so big E-class. Already did the rear sensor and the rear drive shaft ring, so I've had all that stripped. There's the tools of choice. 32 for your hub nut. You need a big, that's a Halford E18, so an inverted torque. Always, you need to clean up the shaft to get the new ring on, so lots of sandpaper, lots of Mr. Makita, lots of wire brushes, sandpaper. What else have we got? We've got a couple of splines on these as well. I think it was that one there I used, the 12. Probably that one as well, to be honest with you. So lots of levers, hammers. I've not filmed that because it is, and there's what's left of the ring. So this metal ring swells up, goes into the sensor. Bad news for that. So bad news for that. We know this tyre's needing done. The backing plates are going to want done on this as well, but they look not too bad at the minute for the shoes, to be honest. So see how rotten these pipes are, but these are the inner ones. So these are the front to the ears, sorry, underneath that big panel there. Take that big panel off. I know they're rotten. Up there, you can see that one's rotten. And you can see that one's rotten. This ball joint is pretty knackered. I've not seen one that bad in a while, I'm gonna see. So look at all the calipers. That big pipe up there, you can just see it's rotten as well. Our shock absorber will give that a good clean, and yeah, you can see the rot actually just through the gap in the panel. So we know they're all rotten. We know that shock absorber's knackered. But we'll get all these brake pipes taken care of now. Ball joint, and unfortunately there is another bit of damage on one of the tyres. So we have 2 tyres to do on this car now. You can see it's got a bulge here. It's had a chunk at the curb several times by the looks at it. But right on that X there is a bulge, so the tyre sidewall separation there, failure. And shred of the year goes to this same customer. So it did leave us a bit of a task. I think the boys over at Hoonigan, California, they'd love a bit of that, wouldn't they? So shred of the year goes to the E220 quality. So we'll get new boots on there, new brake pipes, new ball joints, and we'll get it for MOT. We've already taken care of the ABS fault, so that was a bit of a pig, but that's why we didn't film it, so they usually are. So I will crack on now. So engine management fault's clear about it, but this left front bastard. This bastard. Put a new sensor in it, a new ring. Fuck else do I need to do to the bastard thing? So it's bringing the mill on installed. Cleared the rest. Feck it. So, big E-Class, that front to your brake pipe, you can see it goes all the way through it. Still got a spanner on the bleed nipple, I've bled on the brakes. So you can see it's clipped up in there, I'll put a join on in there, just make it a wee bit easier, try to feed that whole pipe. What a length of them, man. No one at Mercedes charge £2,200 per pipe. You know, so you've probably got about 500 quid's worth of steel. So we had to change all the front to you couldn't salvage any of it because it was rotten. Rotten up the front. So well rotten, like, yeah. So well rotten. You can see that badge I just broke off. So there was no cutting required. So all we've got left now is this rather neck and ball joint. And the guy says it's had the ball joint every year if he's had the car. So you can see here we've got them all clipped in, all the front tires. We've still got the covers to put back on. Oh, a bit sweaty up there, isn't it? Unusual for me, to be honest with you. I'd say that's got a turbo one, to be honest. So right up to the ABS pump, and that one there as well. You can see it is all brand new as well, so played up. So ball joints not right on this side. We'll get this one done now, and that'll be it for this one, thankfully. See a big bolt in there. So we'll get a big spanner on there, big socket on there. We'll get this ball joint off now, and that'll be us sorted. And we have done. Sorry, my bads. New tyre on there. Is that seated on the rim right? I think so. Did get a big pop. So a new one there. And we had to put a new one on that near side front because of that bulge. We know about the shred of the year. Makes it really difficult but to get what's left of the tyre off. Oh, thank God for that, eh? So we had to cut that and butcher it off, man. It was not fun, like, not fun at all. And this one, you can actually still see the bulge in it even with it inflated. So right here, something's happened to it. So you can actually still feel the lump in it. So I will crack on now, get this bottom ball joint changed.